I got the pickle. Sorry for leaving y'all on a cliffhanger, but I got the pickle. I accidentally hit stop recording instead of pause, and there's the pickle. It's kind of giant. That's a huge pickle. You know what? Here is a bottle of Dawn dish soap for comparison. Not Dawn. Home Olive. I hope none of that fell in the pickle juice. Okay. Alright. Back to the video. Okay, I thought my cousin was here. This is a giant pickle. Look at this beauty. You know what, actually, I'm gonna get a picture of me holding the pickle. Boom. Should I eat? I'm gonna eat this side. Too many pickles. Come to the kitchen if you like pickles. Come to the kitchen if you like pickles. Bro, she just abandoned me and said she didn't want the pickle. Okay.
That pickle is so big.
Yeah, I cut it in half. You have half of it.
How did it fit this tiny? Okay, why?
Yeah, you have half the pickle. I have.
You guys saw him do this, so like.
It's a pickle. You like pickles, right?
Yes.
Then eat the pickle. I gotta find the knives. Okay.
First of all, he didn't know where the knives are, and he almost lives in this house. Like, oh no. Give me a tiny piece, please. I don't trust.
You're getting half, but you're also getting a tiny piece.
Also, by the way, it's 7:04 right now.
We do not care.
We do care.
We'll go potty?
No.
Oh, okay.
So I have a tiny piece, so I'm
You go potty.
just gonna eat that.
This.
I actually think I'm gonna eat this big part.
Okay, yeah.
So, yeah.
You should try it first. Eat the tiny piece first.
No, I'm gonna eat the big piece.
Okay, the dogs are outside. Can you have my phone?
I'm filming.
That is disgusting.
Yeah, I would work.
First of all, I don't know why he likes it. It's kind of good though.
You alright?
Yep.
Your hip work?
I think it's good.
Move!
Okay.
Get up!
I'm coming at you. Don't shut the door.
And it also smells like marijuana. I got this at the liquor store. Man, who knows what's in these pickles? Smooth criminal. Wow. I have 52 minutes and 51 seconds left on this phone. What was that? Oh. Yeah, Yep, someone told you just subscribe. Oh! Yeah? This is a really good pickle. The pickle!
Oh, it smells like pickles up here.
The pickle has natural flavoring.
What's up, G? Did I eat a pickle?
That's Audrey's pickle.
What'd you do this?
I just cut it off. For the video, you want it?
Sure.
Okay. All right.
What's wrong with it?
I don't know. It's really big.
Eat over the bowl.
Okay. What do you rate it out of 10?
I don't know. It's not the best pickle I've ever had. What's wrong with it? Why is it spicy?
I don't know. There's like a ton of vinegar in it.
It's gross.
Cucumber, water, salt, vinegar. Those are the first 4 ingredients. I do not know how to make pickles. Anyways, Van Holten dill pickle, hearty dill flavor, made in the USA. Contents 1 pickle. It's pretty good, salty and vinegary. Has 0 calories. 16% of your daily sodium, which is salt, basically. It's 10 milligrams of potassium, 30 milligrams of calcium. Anyways, chipotle bacon, bad. Pickled egg, really bad. Do not try either of those. But these pickles, if you find them, get them. I bought all this stuff at a liquor store. My parents bought it. I gotta pay them for the video. I forgot my wallet. Anyways, oh shoot. No. Anyways, guys.